out so far. This is the best vlog ever.
Oh my god, you're gonna hit that pedestrian!
Oh, we just got matching tattoos.
Why do you keep saying that?
What?
Tattoo.
How else?
Tattoo.
You mean tattoo?
Not tattoo.
We're here.
Wait, I want to see what my hat.
Chuck's here.
Here.
Look at all of us.
This is the bag. Hey, this is really important.
The battle.
Okay.
I can't even hoist my pants up. I'm strapped in like this.
Okay, get a full like 360. Wow. Hi everybody. I had to stop and vlog for a second because I'm actually in too much pain to do it. I have to stop like every I don't even know, like freaking 50 steps. This damn tent is way too heavy. My shoulders. How are my shoulders looking though?
Perfect!
But I should probably catch up because I don't know the way, but oh my god. Wish me luck. Hey guys, we've set up the tent. I probably should have vlogged that moment.
Hard ass pillow.
But I kind of just wanted the tent up. This is Delaney's bed. Julia, Bryn, she does not have a sleeping pad. And mine. Here, I'll show you the outside. Oh my god. Delaney, say hello.
Hi.
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 Yay! And hammock tour.
Hammock tour.
Hammock tour. Roadblock.
Roblox in real life.
Roblox in real life. Oh yeah, this is our setup. That's our fire down there. I'm excited. Fire building ASMR.
Minecraft in real life.
Close up, fire close up.
You got blow on.
Y'all fucking see this shit?
Oh my god.
Y'all see this shit?
I'm seeing it.
You motherfuckers.
You fuckers just made the biggest mistake of your lousy career.
That's a goddamn fire.
Ah.
You want to put more lipsticks on?
Dog circle. Oh, Delaney, yours is looking good.
Damn, I want mine to look like that.
Oh!
All right. This is our beach vlog. Beach at night. Beach at sunset, but we'll be back tomorrow for the day. Oh shit. One mucus. Two mucus.
This is what I call the 5-finger platter.
Is that true?
Does it come with honey mustard?
It's perfect.
I kind of glove with my feet for a second. For your winners for Love Island Season 8.
Trinity and Bryce.
Yeah, they better win.
Trinity for life.
Can I say a couple words on there? Guys, I think you need to get a squatty potty.
Is this a vlog or is this your flashlight?
You can't ask someone why they need a squatty potty. Do you ask somebody if when they get a bidet, do you just like having water squirt up your butt? Is that what you ask?
No, I say
They're douching.
Do you
vagina gay Trump here. Vagina gay Trump here. I'm currently douching.
Featuring and Gay Jackson.
I am douching for my date with Charlie. Show me what that cookie hole does.
Vagina gay Trump out. What are you dropping? There's particles dropping.
Birthday says Humphrey Williams.
Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. There are bears fucking surrounding us. I'm so scared. I've texted everybody I love. Did you really? Yes. We're not gonna die. They're not gonna eat us. See, that's the thing. Probably. This is the closest I've been to death. Are we gonna make it? Doc, are we gonna make it? Probably not. Guys, I really didn't think that I was bringing us into fucking bear country. We're gonna get on the phone with Sergeant Sunday. I know that they are just like, guys, shut the fuck up. I swear to God, I heard one grunt really close. They are so close to us, I don't know what to do. Terrifying update for Delaney and I. I've just realized we are both covered in peppermint oil, and we probably smell like a delicious ass treat. Oh my fuck. So I called my dad, and I was like, hey, what do I do? And he was like, I don't know, I've never been in a situation like that. And I was like, fuck do you mean? I thought you went camping. Hold me. And so we were like, hey, we're a little scared to like make loud noises because like what if they actually want to eat us after that? So we called 911, and he basically got ready to write our death certificates and then referred us to Sergeant Sunday. Oh my god, these fat fucks. They're eating all of our Doritos, I swear to fucking God. I'm so anxious. I think I need to go to the doctor. These are definitely bears. They are mad at each other. Oh my god. Definitely more than one. I would say at least two. I think, based on like how they've been like running around, I think it might be like, a couple cubs and maybe like a big bear.
I survived.
We survived. Trip cut short
Yeah, wait, turn.
by a little bit.
A man named Paul helped us.
Man named Paul helped us.
He was really sweet.
And some guy that looked kind of like Dream came too.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we out. Peace out.
Casi una experiencia religiosa. Sentir que resucito si me tocas. Subir al firmamento prendido.